Well, this is part 2 of today's video. YouTube, it's your boy John Shaft. Like I said, I was gonna come out to the dealership, Porsche dealership, and let you guys see other alternative to the Corvette. And not that I'm turning my back on a Corvette or a GM brand. It's just that you got a lot of dealership that's offering you or trying to get more money out of you for a car that's not, in my opinion, worth it. There's other alternatives, to that vehicle if you want to pay that kind of money. And so that's what my YouTube channel is about. Trying to give you guys more options than just the C8 Corvettes. Like I said, you got a whole lot of more options available to you. If you're talking about paying $150,000 or more for a vehicle, and these vehicles that I'm going to show you are already established. And what I mean by that, they already been in the marketplace, and they don't have any kind of issues or anything like that when it comes to these vehicles, like the C8 do, and now the Z06. I'm looking at a Lamborghini. It's the first time I've seen a Lamborghini actually in person. So I'm trying to turn this camera around and let you guys look at this. Yeah, it brings a smile on my face to see one of these cars. I'm at the Porsche dealership here in Birmingham. That's another thing to talk about. We should have a Corvette should have its own brand. That should be Corvette, Instead of GM, it should be Corvette. I do believe that the Corvette would be a better vehicle if it was singled out just from among other GM products. But this looks like yeah, it is. It's a Lamborghini Huracan, and they're closed because it's New Year's. But man, I wish I can get inside to see that. It's the first time I ever seen one in person. That's a Lamborghini Huracan Evo. Talking about an expensive vehicle. Man, that bad boy, that cost you. Yeah, man, you got to come with it, boy, when you sell something like this. This is a once a week vehicle that you get in when you going out on a special occasion, I guess. This is probably started at about 200, 225. One you might be able to find one. Older models up around 180. And see, like I said, this guy on YouTube the other day, man, he had a Z06, C8 Z06. He just bought it brand new, and he paid cash for it, and he got within 52 miles from the dealership, and the car broke down on him. He paid $182,000 cash. He could have bought this. So hopefully you guys can see through this glass with this video. I'm gonna give you guys the lowdown on this 911. I was out here the other day talking to the salesperson about this 911. I'm about to show you. This particular 911 is a 2017 model. Yeah, that's all right now. 2017 model. I made this video last week when I came out here, and I mistakenly erased it. But this particular This particular vehicle here is 2017 model. One owner, the previous owner, traded in for a Cayman SUV, Porsche Cayman SUV. His wife wanted that instead of this car. This is one on. Like I said, it's 2017. It has like 30. I think they told me it was 38,000 miles on it, and it's listed for $142,000, guys. It's 2017 model. It has the ceramic special treatment on it, on all the panels. And it's the second time that this car has been on the lot. And the original MSRP for this vehicle was 224. I think he said 224, 225,000. This is a nice vehicle. Like I said, it's 2017 model. And it is the Porsche 911 Turbo S. She has ceramic brakes. And unless you're going to be tracking this vehicle, the brakes will last you as long as you have the vehicle. In other words, you don't have to touch them brakes because they're made, they're ceramic wheel, ceramic brakes. Look at the side of that wheel, the brake cable. Unless you're gonna be tracking the vehicle, you don't have to touch that. You change the oil on this vehicle, guys and girls. You change the oil on this vehicle every 10,000 miles. Can you imagine that? Every 10,000 miles when you change the oil. You bring it in for a full service. Get this, guy. You bring this in for a full service every 10 years. How about that? Talk about a maintenance-free vehicle. This is it. And it is a drop top convertible, as you can see, automatic. I think he told me it was putting out either 500 or 600 horses. I thought he told me it was 625, if I'm not mistaken. Of course, it don't have the quite the upgraded interior as the new C8, but the the C8 Corvette is a new vehicle, so of course it's gonna have a better interior. So that's something I don't like about it, because the C8, well, its design is, the cockpit is built and designed around the driver. And believe it or not, the Porsche actually has a back seat, but it's a non-functioning back seat. Ain't no full adult gonna be able to get back down. That's just something to put your little cargo stuff in. It ain't for nobody to sit in unless it's a small child. This is a 225 miles an hour vehicle. Actually, it might be, yeah, I think it's 225. And this bad boy will scat, as they say. And this color's been done away with. They're not making them anymore in this particular color, a grayish blue color. And it has a blue. The top is blue also. Like I said, it's $142,000. So I got I got the other day, man, on YouTube. He bought that C8, paid cash for it, and it was $182,000. And he got within 52 miles of the dealership and broke down. And when he broke down, I mean, he broke down like the engine was blown. The way it was sounding, you know, because he started up the vehicle on the video. And it sounded just like my vehicle when I blew the engine on mine. And my vehicle is still sitting in the yard. I haven't done anything to it. Like I said, I have a 2016 stingray Corvette, and I was so pissed off, man. I had left the car sitting at the dealership almost 2 months before I went and got it. And my buddy there, he called me and said, "Man, you don't come get this car, man, they're gonna start charging you storage fee." So I had to go get the car, and I still end up losing $1,100 just to bring the car home. It's sitting in the yard, and it's still sitting there now. So that put a sour taste in my mouth, man, with the Corvette. Okay, this is not a 911 here. I think this is just a straight Porsche. It's not the S Turbo. It's still a nice vehicle. No, I take that back. It is 911. 911 Turbo S. Yep, that's it. It's the coupe. It's the coupe version. That one is the convertible, and this is the coupe. Of course, I like the convertible. And these are the Cayman Porsche, the SUV of the Porsche. They can run anywhere from 180 to 150, or either 180,000. And these SUVs can be quite pricey. I don't see the price on this one, but this is 21 model. Has 30,000 miles on it. I don't see the price tag on it. It's probably it's probably over 150. Or right at 150. Now the Porsche Macan, you can get it starting at around, or usually you can get it around by 80,000.